In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a song in Suno AI's library. We'll go through the entire process step by step. Let's begin your journey by heading over to Suno AI. This platform offers a variety of features and tools that make managing your music library intuitive and straightforward. So once you've logged in or set up your account, the next thing we'll do is navigate to the library. This is where you'll be able to access all the music available to you through Suno AI. It's organized in a user-friendly manner, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Now that we're in the library, it's time to select a song, browse through the collection, and find the track you want to work with. Suno AI offers a wide selection, so take your time to find the right one for your needs. Once you've made your choice, you'll notice three small dots next to the song. This icon is the gateway to a host of options. Go ahead and click on these dots. You'll be presented with several different tasks you can carry out related to the song. Our focus right now is on editing, so click on Edit. This will open up more detailed settings for your selected song. By doing this, you've entered the space where you can customize the song to your liking. Among the various tabs and options that appear, you'll want to head to the Replace section. It's in this part of the menu that you can start making significant changes to the song. Now, as you're tinkering around, you might find that some features are behind a paywall. To unlock these benefits, click on the option that says Subscribe. This is where you can access more advanced tools. Clicking subscribe will lead you to the available plans. Take a close look at the various options to see which one best matches your needs. Each plan comes with its own set of features and costs, so weigh your options carefully before making your selection.